How to fix Twitter profile update field. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix Twitter profile update field. To fix the X Twitter profile or Twitter profile update failed error, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, what you could do is actually open up your Twitter application and log in. So I'm going to use the browser version. You could also use an app. Either way, procedure will remain the same. So quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and sign into my account. Once you are taken to the home page, what you actually want to do is you want to check your bio and website field. That means you want to remove fake verification mark, delete any mark or check marks from your name or bio, and then you also need to delete any sort of URL from your bio or website field that could be detected as malware. And you also want to make sure to check the bio's length. Make sure your bio is not over 160 character limit, and you also need to ensure your bio does not contain angle bracket and any sort of quotation mark. If after checking all this and you still face issue, then you could also try clearing your cache and cookies. So for that, you want to make sure to tap on the three dot, and then you want to go to Chrome history, and then here you could go ahead and clear cache as well as data. And if you're using an app, then you could try updating the app to the latest version. That should be able to fix. If the issue still persists on, then you could try using a different browser if you're using. Otherwise, you could restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.